How's it going, everyone? The market is looking much better, in my opinion. We're coming out here from the lows. You can see on SPY, we're starting to get a nice move up. I did bull puts today in the day trade chat, day trade alerts. This is looking absolutely insane. I took bull puts here and making absolute bank. But this is not the video. I want to talk about that because I think we're gonna head higher. So I want to talk about KULR as I'm looking in for the higher quality companies. I took lays and we're doing really good, pumping right from the lows. Bought the fear, and it's looking amazing. We went through the storm, but I said my thesis for KULR is at this weekly EMA 50. That has always been my thesis on here. We are currently right now on KULR. I said when we bounce here a couple times on the 20, a lot of the times the market makers think that this has touched already. So it just makes me worried when you bounce here 20, bounce here 20. Even though it didn't touch it, it makes it think that the algos hit it already. I'm looking for EMA 50. We're right here on the EMA 50, guys. This is make it or break it for KULR. On the monthly chart, we can't really use on, smaller cap stocks, but KULR, weekly EMA 50, looking amazing opportunity right here. I think this is a nice area to get into. Now, they do have liquidity options. They have weekly options, but there's not really like a lot of premium for covered calls. If you guys watch lots of my strategies on this, I think this is the opportunity I've been waiting for. We get lots of volume, over 6 million, 10 million. I like that. But this is a strong demand zone. So basically what we're seeing right in here, obviously nobody knows exactly what's going to happen in the market, but we see strong support right here, strong support right here. I could, you could be the prediction, be like, well, I'm going to say that it fills the gap. Way down in here. Sure, we could go all the way down there and fill the gap. I'm going to go with the bear case and be like, sure, could it do it? Absolutely. Everything's a probability game. But if you don't play it on these bounces here, you've been missing out on lots and lots of gains. We bounced here on the 5, made 70%. We bounced on the 10, made a nice solid 30%. And then the 20 made multiple times. But this right here, we don't know what's the undersea. This is why trading is hard. People, they see red, they don't know how to act, and they're like, well, I think it's going to go lower. And yes, if you pull out your crystal ball, we all have crystal balls. I'm like, okay, I think KUR is going to go down to 10 cents. To me, it's just a bunch of baloney, in my honest opinion. Gaps do not have to get filled all the time. Usually with smaller caps, they will eventually go down to it. But who's to say this gap gets filled in the end of this year? I mean, at that point, this could have a massive rally, and you would have missed out on it. So my thing is, I would just look at what works, and this has worked for me. I like it. It has, nice risk versus reward. Now, for this one, since this is last line of defense, I could draw my stop loss right here at 10%. So if I'm totally wrong, I risk 10%. If I'm totally right, I can easily get 30, 50% on this trade, in my opinion, because this is a strong level of demand. So here's your stop. Always draw your data and price range. Your stop loss is at 104. And so let's just say it hits my stop. I was wrong. Totally wrong about the trade. I'm not going to say I'm a perfect trader. I can control what the market happens. But like I said, if you didn't take it, I took this one last time on the daily EMA 50. We had a clear risk versus reward down here. And guess what? The next day up, it went up 46%. And you would have missed out on it, if you didn't take it. We got close to this EMA 50 again, and you can see when you get this one up 30%. So this was all where the weekly EMA 20 was. It didn't quite hit it, but usually I look at a daily chart and be like, if we skip a 20 and go to the 50, I like to take it. And this is kind of like the same scenario, skipping a 20 to go to the 50. So I think it's really good. I like the volume. Weekly options, I think we were due for a pullback. Obviously, market going down. If Bitcoin's dropping a lot, KULR is going to drop a lot. That's just the nature of this. But I don't think this is a bad opportunity. I think this is really good. I've been in Lays, and you can see Lays is pumping. Everyone was panicking. This thing went up massive from the lows here. You bought the dips. You're up 33% here. This is the accumulation zone. Same thing right in here. Sometimes price can go under it, but that is totally fine. Obviously, I think KULR, even with this massive market rally down, I think we're kind of slowing off. You see that the SPY is going up. I see right in here we're trying to get in. I did this day trading. I'm making money every day. Doesn't matter bull or bear market. I make money every day in my day trades. I highly recommend everyone get in it. And so I can kind of see a bigger picture of, hey, I think we're going to switch on a 15-minute trend. I tell everyone I like to trade fresh trends. Well, this 15-minute is kind of old. We are due to get above this EMA 50. I think we rally into the market close, in my honest opinion. So KULR, I'm looking to buy this. Right here at the EMA 50, stop loss is going to be right under the 50. Makes it a very easy stop loss to have. You just say, you know what, what's the max I want to risk? You obviously got to give it some wiggle room. 10% is looking about right here at 1.49, and I'm going to get in at 1.16. So that's really a good risk versus reward. This is why I love the weekly EMA 50s. They give you really good risk versus reward, and that's really all trading is. It's a probability to game, and that's all you can do about it. So I'm going to take my chance on KULR. This is a massive uptrend. I don't see it just decimating, completely. We were at a high of $5, come back to $1. We'll go from there. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, make money every day doing my day trading strategy that has over 90% win ratio. I can show you guys everything. I've been working on this strategy the most because it has been terrible for swing trading. Absolutely terrible. You're not the only one suffering in it. But click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts at this free chat. It'll take you. Please read how to subscribe. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and you get access to everything. Swing trades and day trades for $12 a month. It will never go up in price. You guys are going to get in a lifetime discount of live streams. I just did a live stream today. You can click on this link right here on Twitch. You'll get my access to live streams, and I go over real time of what I'm thinking and what I plan to do. I said the market is looking like it's bottomed out. That's why I sold cover call credit spreads and did bull puts. You'll learn all that lingo once you join, though. Okay, I promise. It's very easy, and I tell you guys exactly how to do your orders, and it's awesome. But swing trade alerts are going to be posted right here. I took lays. I was pounding the table on lays. Yeah, it didn't go exactly what I wanted, but I did cover calls in the very first time on it. And then I'm making money now as it goes down or up. So it's totally fine, guys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Join the Discord. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer to because they're having issues with it. But it's best to do that anyways to avoid the iOS fee. If you're not from the US, you will pay a little extra, like 15 to 16 a month due to currency exchange rates. But hope to see you guys there. KULR. Didn't work here on the 20. I really thought maybe this consolidation would have done. Always have a stop loss, in my opinion. Draw your data price range. If price goes a little too far under, then you know what? You can have 8 to 10%. I think that's realistic stop loss for pennies, and you go up from there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.